Today is Friday, June 1st, 2018, and this is the ServiceMonster Show.
Introducing Michael.
Gotta go, there's an app for that.
ServiceMonster new release 6.2.6.
This week in social media. Got to go, there's now an app for that. So if you're on a road trip and looking for a clean bathroom, there's an app so you can find clean bathrooms and avoid the dirty ones, which could also be great for people who service bathrooms at rest stops.
So I don't know if you and your company uses LinkedIn or not to recruit new employees, but there is a new startup called Debut that's just now releasing some information on it. They use personality tests and math quizzes to discern who they might want to hire. Kind of an interesting concept. As they put it, degrees be damned is how they said it. So if that's something that you think you might be interested in the future for recruitment, you could go onto Forbes.com and read the article yourself.
Snapchat is going to soon implement unskippable ads. They're only 6 seconds, but it's a great idea for a new kind of campaign that you could do for marketing.
So Facebook is becoming more or less an adults-only platform. Teens have begun ditching Facebook for other things like YouTube and Snapchat. Could that be good news for your business, marketing for your business? We'll leave that up to you. This week inside Smug.
Thanks, Tim, for the shout out on Smug. The tech app is now back to its speedy self.
So Scott asked this week in Smug if there were still spots open for our super agents. For those of you who don't know what our super agents do, they are amazing. They do so much. So basically, it's an employee timeshare. So for one flat fee a month, you get 11 hours a day, 6 days a week. So basically, you have a whole office staff at your disposal. That is super easy and super convenient. They are our super agents. And just so you know, there is one spot left open for June. So if you're interested in signing up for that, well, you better hurry up for June because there's only one spot left.
Thank you, Nathaniel, for your shout out on Smug about email templates. That is a great use of Smug. I love it when people share resources. Let's talk about that. So one great tip for using email templates, especially for marketing, is to offer discounts or services. It will make the customer more inclined to click on the email since they might get a discount, and it might prompt them to be a returning customer.
Yeah, and you can also think about using lots of images. I mean, don't crowd it. We're talking about keeping it simple, something that's attractive to the eye, because a lot of people nowadays especially don't like to read a lot. So keep away from the wordiness and think about using pretty pictures. Or, I don't know, any type of picture really that goes with what you provide in your business. So those are just a couple tips from things we get from behind the phones and all that stuff. So hopefully that is helpful to you as you move forward with email templates.
This week, inside ServiceMonster.
So this week, the training team completed a new video. It's approving Fill My Schedule in ServiceMonster 6. So if you have questions about that, go check out the video. It's only about 2.5 minutes long. I posted it up on YouTube and also on the help site with an article. So like I said, if you've got questions, check it out for yourself.
Introducing Michael.
I'm the new marketing guy here at ServiceMonster. I'm super happy to be here. It's an exciting team, exciting place to join, so I look forward to working more here.
Hey, like he said, we're super excited to have him and excited to see what Michael brings to the team. ServiceMonster product updates. ServiceMonster new release 6.2.6 came with several awesome fixes and features that I think you'll be excited about. A couple of which are the Opportunities, Activities, News feed. There was a fix that happened on there, so now it properly displays the employee's image. Pretty awesome. We also fixed searching accounts in the quick add. So if you had listed someone by last name first and then first name second, people were having trouble finding that person in the system because if they searched, say, the first name or the last name, they wouldn't be able to find it. It was, anyways, creating some havoc. So we simplified it. Now that when you plug in either the first name or the last name, it'll pull up the information right away. I'm also working on the release video and release notes for 6.2.6. There's a bunch of other features and fixes that happen, so you'll want to keep an eye out for that. Should be done either later today or early next week, so keep an eye out for that. From all of us here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Go check out the demo.
And give us a call.
From all of us here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. So sorry. Subscribe. Subscribe. It's a weird word.
Sorry. I haven't done that so many times. All right.